Hello fams, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new in this farm, you're welcome. If you are old subscribers, God bless you. Thank you for always watching my video. So today I want to show you how I normally make this shea seed. Shea seed is very good. But before I go on to show you, I would like to share some of the benefits of this shea seed. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which help to raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that protects the heart against heart attack and stroke. It also helps to reduce risk of many adverse health conditions, including diabetes, obesity, heart diseases, and overall mortality. Because it's a fiber, it also prevents constipation and promotes regularity for a healthy digestive tract, and so on. farms, if you have watched up to this period, thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are just coming, you've not subscribed, I'm begging you, I'm pleading with you, hit that red button and hit the bell so that anytime I upload the video, you will know